At Storage Solutions, we focus on what is important to our clients. Our process is designed to provide the best experience possible and meet all of your expectations. We know that from our over 200 years of combined experience that safe work, aesthetics, and a timely project completion are important to our clients. Our total satisfaction experience is your guarantee that SSI will meet or exceed your expectations. The 5 phases of our total satisfaction experience include: Phase 1, the comprehensive assessment. A Storage Solutions representative will schedule an on-site meeting at your convenience. We will listen closely to you and understand your objectives, challenges, and goals. We will walk through, evaluate, and discuss your application while providing expert insight. We will determine the most visually appealing, cost-effective solution to accomplish your goals within your timeline. Our second phase is the objective and solution review. Your detailed proposal will be delivered and reviewed with you face-to-face. Your proposal will include special attention to your time constraints, product appearance, and job site safety requirements. Our third phase is the project timeline and installation schedule. Drawings will be created for your approval and will be amended with any necessary changes. We define your timeline for project completion and meet your objectives. We arrange transportation, delivery, and unloading of materials, and determine laydown areas to minimize downtime. Our fourth phase is the project execution and safety analysis. We will meet with you and our installation personnel to review the work timeline and your specific safety guidelines. We review your safety policy and identify dangerous activity within installation personnel. We perform daily job safety analysis for your assurance of safe work. Our final phase is the full function and aesthetic review. During the final walkthrough and inspection, we strive for complete satisfaction of workmanship, functionality of products, and first-class appearance. We ensure that your objectives have been met and follow up promptly with any final items you identify that need attention. At Storage Solutions, we focus on what is important to our clients. We are confident that we can provide the best experience possible and meet all of your expectations as we have for hundreds of clients. We know that safe work, aesthetics, and our timely project completion are priority with our clients. Our goal from concept to completion is that your experience with Storage Solutions will surpass your expectations.